There's like 20 cars out here. That's crazy. This is gonna be nuts. Woo, she's back. There we go. She breathes, everybody. She's back. Today is the first vlog of 2022's car season for me. I'm super excited. We're just gonna hop right into it today. I'm gonna be cruising with my brother in his Supra and my Nismo here, and we're gonna be cruising to Tony's place and meet up with a bunch of the guys, and then cruise out to maybe Cozy, maybe Coffee House. But it's gonna be a fun night. Let's see how it goes. All right, everybody, we're currently rolling out with the Alpha 12 GTR. That's Tony's. We got a Porsche, I think that's a 911 Turbo, an older Mustang Shelby, full bolt-ons, another Mustang that's supercharged, don't know what kind, and a full bolt-on ported crazy shit Supra, my brother's Supra. I got my Z. We're gonna meet up with some friends at Coffee House and have a good time. All right. Alright, yo, we just got here. There's the lineup. Oh wait, that's right, I gotta pull out the light source. There we go, that's what we got. Woo. Check it out. Damn. Oh! I stepped in a puddle. What up, bro? Dude, I just stepped in the puddle. How are you? That sucks, bro. That's a rest in peace, bro. But yeah, this is Jeff's dope R-Spec. Check it out. Stock boys, right? No big deal. Yeah. Holy shit! He's on it, dude. That was good timing, bro. Also, we got the 911 Turbo here. Totally forgot to put him on camera next to our squad because he parked a little bit of a gap. Dude, Dakota, thanks for the invite for the race night. It's gonna be a good time, bro. I'm pumped. Let me see the inside real quick. There you go. It's all good.
You can check my car out.
Damn, bro. And it's a soft top in red. Woo. Let me get the front. Good timing for Tony right there. Dude, that thing sounds incredible, bro. Yeah, these things are dope. I need a GT3, the new one. The 992 is insane. All right, check it out. We got the Audi guys, Alpha. This is Dakota's RS3. S3, I'm sorry. Still badass. Bolt-ons tuned. Gonna be a lot crazier on race night. Check out Nick's insane Demon, bro. Nick, what up?
What up?
How you doing, bro?
Good. How are
Dude,
you,
this thing's insane.
Thank you.
So, these don't have to come with wide body, apparently?
This is a red eye. This is not.
Ah.
All right, thank you. Go check it out.
What? Okay, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna open it up. NVD, White Sox plate. Dude, this thing popping. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. Dude, the carbon all over, man. These seats look incredible. Super comfy. and he's got all that room in the back. Yeah, man, this is nice. Seeing Rimbo's car next to this would be dope. Oh my gosh, bro, what is that shit? It's a 240, bro? What? There you are. Found you guys. Holy shit. Oh my god. Dude, Coffee Haus is popping. Wow. Yo, this guy's hiding over here. This thing's sick. I follow someone on Instagram really similar. Twin headlight guys. I love the silver. I really like these wheels. I don't know what they are. Maybe you guys in the comments got me. And he's got the Morimoto tail lights, bro. This is something on my list. I don't know when. I do want it. I like the diffuser, bro, with the Tomei. Good stuff, bro. Very nice. Next to this AMG. This thing, I don't even know anything about these, bro, but he's got pretty cool wheels on it. Of course, too, I gotta give respect. This guy's got some dope wheels on this thing. Nice layout, bro. Focus ST bagged. Nice purple Beamer. Dude, this color in the light. Bro, this is like the IPL style. I like this. Is this an IPL, bro? This thing is nice, dude. Holy. Yeah, next to the Audi. Also on bags. You guys are good.
Down to the left.
Pop her open, bud.
Got that green pulley.
Look at that intake, how fucking big is it?
It's crazy how big your 4-cylinder is, dude. It's nuts. Some more engine bay for you. A lot different than Nick's. Stopped at the gas station. Dude, there's like 20 cars out here. That's crazy.
You alright?
Yeah, you did a lot.
Oh, sick. Alright.
All right, everybody, we made it home safe. Thank you, everybody, for staying to the end of today's video. I really appreciate you guys as always. I'm still trying to come up with a way to orchestrate a more inclusive way for everyone to be a part of my $100 Bitcoin giveaway. So follow all my social medias in the description below. I got Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. I'm just working on the editing right now. You guys can see this is the new setup for now. And then I got Sunny hanging out with me. So yeah, we're just chilling. I'm super happy to be back. These videos are gonna be a banger. Next week, I'm going to Great Lakes Dragway to finally drag the 370Z against a bunch of cool friends, and there's gonna be a lot of nice guest appearances there with some pretty fast cars, so stay tuned for that. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video.